Hey guys, it's Mark, and today I'm going to make a comparison video. Now, typically I'm just doing the reviews of the vacuums, but I thought, hey, I've done reviews of both of them. I like them a lot, both of them. So let's put them head to head. So, what we got is the blue Hoover Convertible. This vacuum, blue color, soft bag design. Direct air motor. It has one light bulb. Over here in the corner, it has 4 height settings: low, normal, high, and shag, along with a handle release, 20-foot cord with the extra black extension cord, and that's what we have on the right. On the left, we have the Simplicity Synergy. This is the basic model for the Synergy. It's a hard bagged vacuum cleaner. This one takes Simplicity Type X bags, which is a synthetic material HEPA filtered bag. This one has a HEPA filter. I believe this is I want to say 35-foot cord. Onboard tools, dusting brush, which you can take this off, turns into a upholstery brush, along with a crevice tool. Right over here you have your lever to go from floor cleaning to tool cleaning. You have a 5 carpet settings. Let's see if I can get it. It's kind of hard. And extra high right there. So both of these units, for our test, we're going to test them on low. If I can get this knob floor. So we'll be running both of them on low. This one has a direct air motor and a clean air motor. That one just has the single direct air motor. And I forgot to mention this for this one. This one uses Hoover Type A bags. And this one we will be using the Arm & Hammer bag with the scent filtering on it. And on that one you have to use genuine Simplicity X bags. So what we have to test here, we have some lovely generic flour along with some rice. Now I've chosen these because flour is very hard to get up and rice likes to just stick around, so both of these are more difficult to get up than some of the other things that some testers might use. The only thing that I wish I would have would be sand, but we don't have that.
Yeah, we do.
So
we have white sand.
No, Dad threw that away. But anyway, I'd like to test sand, but we don't have any. So we will test it with
Flour.
Shush. We will test it with flour and the rice. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle down some flour, and then we're going to try to trample it in here, and then we'll throw some rice on top of it just for the cherry on top. So let's start dirtying up the carpet. So we will grab some flour. We'll just sprinkle all that floury goodness down. Kinda try to massage it into the carpet. Make it really difficult. Now I'm going to try to be fair, but these are just like approximate amounts of the substances. So I'm not going to be able to like put 100 grams of flour here and an identical 100 grams over there and then roll them in with roller. Let's keep in mind, I am a 14-year-old that likes vacuums. We're not going to get that specific. Okay, but anyway. So we'll throw some stuff down over here for the Hoover. We got about that much, so I'm going to try to replicate that. Yeah, something like that. Put that in there. And we'll kind of rub the flour in. Try to really groom it into the fibers. I really want this test to be a true and accurate representation of what each of these vacuums are capable of. Heck, it almost doesn't even look like I have flour. Trying to get that off my hand. I don't know. I could rub this one in a little more. Okay. They're better. So we will throw the flour over to the side. Grab our rice. I'm going to see if I can open this and throw this down. I will have to pause my video. So I paused the video, opened up the rice, so we'll just sprinkle a good handful of it down. There. And I don't think this will really rub into the carpet, but hey, guess I can try. Why not? Nah, it's not really gonna rub in. But we have that. That's going to be the simplicity test. This is going to be our Hoover test. Hold it. Okay. So simplicity, Hoover. Let's go. I'm going to plug these in and we will get back to the video. Okay, so excuse the cord fiasco back here, but both the machines are plugged in, both set to low. That one's on low. And yeah, this one has 2 motors, so I'm going to switch on the second motor because that activates the brushes. And let's rock and roll. Let's see what we can do. Okay, now there is a reason that I held that there, and if you saw, that rice was bouncing all around because how strong the agitation on this one is. So I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm going to do 1 forward and 1 backwards pass. I hope I didn't just spread that everywhere, but I think I might have. But yes, I might have. I might redo that one, but I don't know. I'll see what it looks like. So we'll go forward, backwards, and that will be our test. So let's go. So went forward and backward real quick over all of it. And yes, it did a very nice job. This is Hoover stuff. But yes, for the most part, it sucked everything up. And that was actually the brush roll, and it just kind of took the vacuum right off. So now we will do the Hoover Convertible back and forth over all of it real quick. And I'll probably hold it there just to show you what the vibration on the Hoovers looks like. That was pretty interesting. I didn't expect the Hoover to actually snowplow like that, but I guess it did. So yeah, the simplicity, all it has is brushes on it, but it seemed like it was digging into the pile. This is a pretty low carpet, but it seemed like it was really digging into the pile. And you can tell because, I mean, look, this whole carpet area where the simplicity ran over is clean. But I guess the Hoover doesn't exactly do very great on carpeting, or low carpeting. Because I know it does really good on the stuff we have downstairs, which is like shag. It does really good on that. So, I think I might go downstairs, redo these tests on shag carpet, and see if that makes any difference.